Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. This is the new Porsche Cayenne Platinum Edition. It's a special edition version of the German brand's largest SUV that has some more standard kit and, as the name suggests, some platinum-colored cosmetic tweaks. Styling changes for the Porsche Cayenne Platinum Edition include a unique set of 21-inch alloy wheels, new badges and fresh inlays for the front bumper, all of which are finished in satin platinum paint. There's also a set of sport tailpipes and some black window surrounds. Inside, it features textured aluminum dashboard trim, silver door card finishers and brushed aluminum tread plates engraved with the Porsche's Platinum Edition branding. The standard car's infotainment system and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster also feature. To complement the cosmetic changes, Porsche has thrown some extra equipment at the Cayenne Platinum Edition. Buyers get upgraded LED headlights, a panoramic roof, privacy glass and 8-way electrically adjustable leather sports seats. Elsewhere in the cabin, there's an ambient lighting system, an analog clock mounted on the dashboard, a Bose surround sound stereo and new front and rear headrests that have been embroidered with the Porsche logo. UK prices are yet to be confirmed, but in Europe the SUV starts from €89,335, around £74,500, for the cheapest 335 bhp 3.0-litre V6 variant. Porsche says that's enough for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 6.2 seconds and a top speed of 152 miles per hour. Above that, there's a plug-in hybrid model, which shares the same 456 bhp 3.0-litre V6 powertrain as the Cayenne SE Hybrid. It's capable of covering up to 27 miles on electric power alone and offers a maximum WLTP fuel economy figure of 91.1 mpg. European prices start from €102,901, which equates to £86,000 in the UK. The most expensive model gets the same 434 bhp 2.9-litre V6 powertrain as the Cayenne S, which bumps its starting price up to €105,995, roughly £88,500. The extra grunt slashes a second off the standard Cayenne's 0 to 62 miles per hour time and increases its top speed to 164 miles per hour.